And then one of my eyes was swollen closed, and I didn't even know. Like, my jaw was swollen. Like, it was bad. Hey, hello. My name is Quatechia Renee, and you are watching Quatechia Creates. Hello, besties. So my package from the Crystalac Company came, and I'm super excited to show you what I got. Okay, let's jump into it. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you what I got from the Crystalac Company. You guys, I'm really excited. Like, I'm really excited about these things. I'm excited for this new journey that I'm embarking on, and I'm excited to have it documented on YouTube. Like, I was all epoxy when I first started, and you guys, I had a bad dream last night. So I feel like I'm making the right decision by going epoxy free, because I had a dream that I had like a severe reaction. Like, I'm talking swollen eyes. What else? Swollen eyes. Oh yeah, my face was like swollen. Like, it was like, and then one of my eyes was swollen closed, and I didn't even know. Like, my jaw was swollen. Like, it was bad. It was a dream, but it felt very real. Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, so first things first, I got the Brite tone. You can't do Crystalac tumblers without the Brite tone. So there's different finishes that you can use within the Crystalac Company. The Brite tone is the top coat that most people use. Some people use extreme protection, but then follow it up with Brite tone. I bought the quart size. They come in several different sizes. They have a smaller size that I think is a pint. I think is the pint size, which I currently have a pint size that I purchased quite some time ago, and I hope it's still good because I'm gonna use it, and that is what I'm currently using on my tumbler that I have going now. I didn't see an expiration date. Maybe I'll look again. I don't know if they have expiration dates or whatnot. This is what the one that I'm working with looks like, and that's the one that came out of this container. So I'm gonna use it. I mean, the tumbler is looking good so far. It doesn't look like, you know, it's coming out yellow. Like, it is coming out yellow, but it's like not, you know, like turning the cup yellow. And you guys, whether or not this tumbler turns out amazing or it's an absolute fail, I am definitely going to upload a video, and I am going to show you the outcome. Okay, I'm gonna be completely transparent. This will be my first complete epoxy free tumbler. I purchased Brite tone and epoxy around the same time, and I want to say the very first tumbler that I started making, I was using Brite tone, and it didn't work for me because I didn't trust the process. Now I'm trying to trust the process a little bit more now that I actually have experience working with epoxy tumblers, and I have that to like compare it to. I'm trying to trust this Brite tone process. So I feel like I'm very confident. I'm very excited that it's going to work out just fine. We also have the Universal White. This is a stain blocking primer, tintable paint base. So with this, you are able to add in color pigments. So I purchased the sample pack of Crystalac's color pigment. They're 1.2 ounce bottles. They all have a number on it, and they came with this neat pamphlet, and the pamphlet shows you like how you can achieve all these different colors. Let's say you're trying to get a fuchsia. It says 16 drops of number 2 and 2 drops of number 5. So I just think that's pretty. That sounds like a lot. What am I? Hello, this one. Oh.
A few moments later.
Okay, I guess I could put that in the Brite tone to get that color. These two colors mixed together would create, along with the clear base, would create a fuchsia color. Okay, so we have the Universal White, right? So I was showing the pigments. So this is what number 1 looks like, and then number 2 is this color, and then we have 3, which is a really pretty yellow. I'm not even a yellow person, but it's just so yellow, and I like it. Then we have this color, then we have this color, and then we have this color, which looks very brown. Then we have this color, which is similar. This color, this is what they look like together. So this is 6, and this is 7, and then we have 8, which is obviously black. So these 3 colors are the last 3 colors. So yeah, so that is all that I purchased from the Crystalac Company, along with a pamphlet. You're able to purchase a pamphlet for $1 like this, and I have 2 sets of them because I think one set is actually included when you purchase the sample pack of the pigments. And I purchased a Crystalac tumbler brochure. So they have a brochure of, you know, for the tumblers, whatever. And it kind of tells you like what to do, how to do it. It shows like some products that, it shows you like the products that they have available to use and what they're used for. And like this one actually talks more about actual like tumblers. So Crystalac is used to finish off lots of different projects, not just tumblers. One of them being like furniture and instruments. So yeah, I don't know who discovered that they can be used on tumblers, but now it's a whole thing. When I first got started with tumblers, there like was hardly any information out on how to do epoxy free tumblers. Like there was information out saying how bad epoxy was, and that, you know, there was like information on there being a Crystalac product that you could use in place of epoxy, but there wasn't like, you know, like a whole lot of videos on YouTube as far as like instructional and tutorial videos on Crystalac. So that's also one of the reasons why I'm like excited. While it's unfortunate for me and my business that I'm having these issues with the epoxy, I'm still excited for this new journey because now there is more information out there. And also I'm able to provide my subscribers and future subscribers with this information as well. So I'm excited about this journey. I'm truly excited about this journey. I hope it works out well though. Like I said, I'm making my first complete tumbler. When I tried to make one years ago, I started out with the Crystalac and I was like, what in the world? It wasn't enough information. Like I started out like putting, you know, the layers of Crystalac on the tumbler, but I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere and I didn't like the way that it was looking. So I ended up sitting to the side. I started with epoxy. Epoxy went well for me. So then I ended up going back and putting epoxy on that tumbler that I started using Crystalac on. I'm more experienced with tumblers in general, so I'm excited. I'm truly excited. So let me show you some other things that I got. I got me a condiment bottle. I got this condiment bottle from Walmart, and that's probably where I get all my condiment bottles. This is what because they're 98 cents at Walmart, or at my Walmart anyway. So this brush is the infamous Wet n Wild brush that everybody uses. A lot of people use it to like apply like their acrylic paints, and not even just acrylic paints, but also like the base paints. So I bought a few of these. I also have these little finger condoms. I purchased these from Walmart. I don't remember how much they were. I've actually had these for a while. I'll be using these to apply my Crystalac. You guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. If you made it to the end of this video, you guys, comment down below with some blue hearts to let me know that you are excited about this journey that we are going on to epoxy free tumblers and you are here for it. Even if you decide to keep with your epoxy, that is all fine and well. But if you are excited about this journey, like I'm excited about this journey, comment down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. You guys, take a look, because some of you may be thinking, because you see me pop up on your page, that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you see that it says subscribed. If you still see that red little button that says subscribe, that means you're not subscribed, and you have to log in to subscribe. So make sure you're logged into YouTube so you can subscribe. You guys subscribe, okay? Okay, you guys, until next time, bye-bye.